guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. I have my Ipsy to share with you guys, which unfortunately I think is going to be my last Ipsy for a while. I have actually canceled my Ipsy out completely because for some reason, well, let me tell you, there's two reasons why I canceled it. One is I feel like I'm just getting kind of overwhelmed with products that I get in like subscription boxes. And if I had to choose Ipsy over BoxyCharm, I chose BoxyCharm just because I do love BoxyCharm a lot more. So the other thing is that I feel like Ipsy sometimes can get a little bit like, I don't know, boring. Is it just me, or do you get bored with Ipsy? I don't get quite as bored with BoxyCharm. I do get bored, don't get me wrong. I do get bored, but not quite as bored as I get with Ipsy. And then there's another thing, like they sent me this refreshments box that I don't remember signing up for. I'm like, how in the world did I get this? And I know they charged me for it. So I'm like, did I accidentally hit something? I have no idea. But either way, I have my box to share with you guys from last month, or the bag actually. So here is the bag that it looked like. I told you guys it reminded me of Clueless. It still does. It reminds me of Clueless. It's the colors of Cher. Is it Cher? Yeah. Cher's skirt that she wore. So I like the bag. I think the bag's really cute. There were some actually really good products in my bag from last month. The palette that I got right here that I said reminds me of Makeup Geek, and it is actually not Makeup Geek though. What is the brand of this? I don't have the box for it anymore. I don't know what I did with the box. Il Maquillage. Il Maquillage is the brand. So these are the colors that you get in here. So these are some of the colors that are actually on my eye today. So it does have really good pigmentation. It blends really well. This is a nice palette, and I like how small it is and compact. I like that it feels very, very well made. Like, this is nice packaging. So I don't know if Il Maquillage is a brand that you can purchase like at Sephora or Ulta. I don't think so, but if you can, let me know. But I really like this palette. So I think it's a nice. The only problem I have with the palette is that I think that, actually, no, I have no problems. I don't know what I was going to say, because there's no problems with this palette. Every color has good pigmentation. I think the only thing that it could possibly use is a lighter like matte shade. But I mean, I think we all have that lighter matte shade, and I don't think it's necessary for this palette. So I really like it. So all in all, I think that was a nice palette. Then I have these blushes, which I forgot were blushes, I'll be honest. And it even says it on the packaging. I'm just a ding dong. So sometimes when I pick up a product and I'm like, oh, that looks like so-and-so. So that's what I'm going to use it for. So that's what I did with this. I kind of was like, that looks like a lipstick. I'm just going to put it on. It's not a lipstick. Okay. It's definitely not a lipstick, because I put it on and I'm like, whoa, that is not pretty. But as far as blushes, these are very, very nice, and they blend out very easily. This is actually what's on my cheeks today. I'm wearing the more peachy tone, which is this one right here. It's the shade, oh my gosh, where is my pretty magnifying glass? I still can't read it. Oh my gosh. I had my eyes just examined recently, and so I know that my eyesight's not bad. At least they didn't say it was. I cannot read what it says. But either way, it's the peachier tone. So there's a peachy tone and more like of a nudie tone. And these worked really, really well for on the cheeks. You can put them over top of your foundation and it didn't disrupt your foundation. I just put a couple of dots and then dabbed it in with my sponge. I love these. These are nice. So if you're looking for a liquid blush, these are nice. And these are by the brand YC Collection. They're the Stay Natural Blush Liquids. So these are nice. I really like those as well. Then we're down to the oil. This is an oil by Canalogica. I don't know, Canalogica. This is a facial hydration oil with hemp extract. Contains natural occurring CBD with green oregano oil. You cannot smell the oregano. I don't like the smell of oregano. I think some, oh my gosh, is it a Sunday Riley product that I think that smells like oregano? Pretty sure it's a Sunday Riley product that smells like oregano, and I don't love the way it smells. It's not that I don't like the way that oregano smells, but putting it on your face, not so much. This smells very lemony, so I love the way it smells. I love how easily it sinks into my skin. I think this is really nice. This again is another product that was very good in the bag. So it's not because I think the bags are bad. I think it's that I'm just getting too many products from like subscription boxes, and I'm just like, I need to like somewhere cut ties with things. So maybe I made the wrong choice. You guys will have to let me know. Should I have canceled BoxyCharm? I don't know. We'll find out when I get the next box, I guess. Then the last thing, actually no, this is not the last thing. There's two other things that were in here. These are by 19 over 99. And these are just eye pencils. I don't love the one that's called Lustro, which is more of like a gold. Like, I have a hard time getting it to even show up on my eyes at all. So I think it'd be good for like an inner corner highlight, but I like to use a powder highlight for that. So I don't really have a use for it. It doesn't look that good in my waterline. Now, as far as the brown color, which is, what is the color of this one? Oh my gosh, they wrote it in the brown, so you can't even see it, but either way, it's the brown color. This one works really nice, especially for the waterline. I really like these. They're both very, very creamy. I love the way that they worked. They weren't very creamy when I first opened them up. It took a little bit of warming up for them to actually work pretty well, so I like those. Again, liking everything. And then the last thing was from Murad, which you guys may or may not know is one of my favorite skincare brands. This is the Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. I have had some breakouts recently, and this was very helpful for that. Just kind of put it on like you would any kind of acne treatment that you would use. Put it on in those little spots, and it's clear, so it doesn't leave behind any kind of residue or residual, like, you can't notice that you have something on your skin. Really like this as well. It helped to clear up some acne. I need a wipey for my hand. Of course, I don't have one. Awesome sauce. Well, never mind. Okay, so the first thing we're going to jump into is this refreshments box that they sent me. Because all in all, like I was saying, the last bag was really good. I lost my cutter. Oh my gosh. We're just having a good old time here. I don't know what that, oh, I knew it was my magnifying glass. So we're going to use scissors. We're just going to use scissors to cut this open. Oh my gosh, watch me cut my hand off. I'm not very good with scissors. Let's see here. Okay, so it says, why settle for your basics when you can have refreshments? So let's see what in the world. I think they were trying to make like confetti in the box, but somebody forgot to like make it look pretty. It looks like just one big string here. So I'll probably save that so I can use it for somebody's package, like if I have a gift to give somebody. But that's really weird how they didn't like shred it out a little bit. They just kind of threw it in there. That's interesting. All right, I'm gonna set that down. Here's the bag itself. The bag is like a silky feeling bag. Feels really nice. And then it's got like shoestrings style, like they feel like shoestrings for the actual strings on the bag. And then what is in here? So we have a little pamphlet. It says, welcome to our party for one. Get ready to jazz things up. Okay. What in the world? Hey, first time freshie. You're gonna love refreshments, but this is just the beginning. After your, oh, this is a free trial. What? This is a free trial. I thought I got charged for something from Ipsy. Oh my gosh, maybe I'm like throwing them under a bus and they shouldn't be. Choose what products you like, get the party started. Okay, so maybe it was free. So the first thing I see in here is from Refreshments. It's a pillowy shave cream. This is in citrus spritz, not spitz. Oh my gosh, gross. So citrus spritz. Let's see what it smells like. You guys know I always wonder how things smell because that's really important in my opinion. Let's see here. I'm gonna put it on my hand and see how it feels and smells. Okay, it rubs in just like a lotion. It smells like the CBD oil that I just told you guys about, the canola, whatever, how you pronounce it. It's very lemony. It smells really nice, actually. Let's see if it takes off these swatches that I did. Okay, it just took off. Now I'm stuck with this. Okay, look, I've got little clean little antibacterial hand wipes here. We're just gonna open one of these up and use that. I use these for wiping down my counter, like the desk area. Okay, we'll just use that. My hand's clean now. Good to go. So anyway, that smells really nice. It's a nice smelling shave cream, but I'll be honest, I don't typically use a shave cream. Typically what I do is find like a conditioner that I don't really love using for my hair because maybe it's too heavy, maybe it's too drying, whatever the reason might be. I'll use a conditioner to shave with, so I don't know. It says ideal glide for an extra close shave moisturizing formula. So apply generously to wet skin, shave and rinse. Okay, so we got a shave cream. The next thing, and I think this is the last thing in here. I think there's only 2 things in here, maybe. No, we have some stickers. We've got some holographic stickers that say beautify your basics. Okay, and then this. This is the Dazzling 5-blade razor kit. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have canceled this because I could definitely use some good razors, although I steal my husband's because he does the Dollar Shave Club and I take his razors. I'm like, hey, they work great. How do I open this darn thing? What in the world? Okay, that's, I'm assuming it. All right, so here's what the razor itself looks like. You've got two blades here. You've got, I'm not sure what this is. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay, so it's like a little thing you can stick it to your wall or whatever. And then your actual razor handle. It feels really nice. It's got a good grip to it, so you're able to hold on to it. It's got like a little bit of a grippiness at the bottom where the yellow part is, so that you're able to hold on to it. I don't know about you guys, but that's like the worst feeling in the world is when you're shaving and you accidentally slip with your razor. Ugh. So that's cool. So that was the refreshments kit. So if you guys are interested in it, that was what they sent me. I guess that's a free like trial. I don't know. I'll have to look into it a little bit better. All right, so now let's cut open our Ipsy. I don't think we have to cut it open. It's kind of popping open here. Ipsy bag. So here is the Ipsy bag. We've got some, looks like vampire lips. Looks like it might glow in the dark. I wonder if it glows in the dark. I bet it does. I bet this glows in the dark. That would be really cool. All right, so the first thing in here is from Realher. This is the Bronzed Beauty. I need to get my phone so I can look these things up. I need to actually plug my phone in as well. Oh my gosh, something's sitting on my cord. I just unplugged the whole thing. Well, that was awesome. All right, let me find Ipsy. I wonder if it'll even let me still find my information since I'm not an account, since I don't have an account with them anymore. Glam Bag Plus. No, I don't want to do that. Oh, it still lets me see it. Good, 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 good. Okay, so this is the Realher. Okay, Realher Bronzed Beauty. This is $30. It says, give your skin an instant glow with this natural looking bronzer. The silky smooth powder blends like a dream, and longwear formula is infused with antioxidants to help protect your skin. I need scissors again. So let's see what this looks like and how it feels. Realher was a brand, I think they came out with like palettes and everything, but they were okay. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's very reflective. And then there's the powder. I'll show you guys a close up of what the powder looks like. It's very soft, very, very soft. Let's see. That looks kind of orange. It might work. I mean, it's a bronzer. Bronzers are typically a little bit more orange. So I don't know. I'll have to try that out. Why am I smelling it? I don't know. I'm weird. Okay, so there's that. $30 for a bronzer from Realher. Would I pay $30 for it? Probably not. I would rather get like an Anastasia. Which one am I using right now? I love Hourglass bronzers. Those are really nice as well. So I don't know. Probably not. The next thing is from Il Makiage. So another product from Il Makiage. This is a high volume and intense curl mascara. Ooh. Let's see how much this would be. Il Makiage, $25. This says, this multitasking mascara has a uniquely shaped silicone brush that lifts, thickens, lengthens, and curls each lash for a dramatic wide eye look. Oh, I think I'm going to be regretting that I canceled Ipsy. I don't know why, but I just have a feeling. So there's the packaging, and let's see what the actual wand looks like. I do need to open a new mascara because mine's about done. Here's what the mascara wand looks like. I've seen wands like this before. I'm sure you have too. I have self-tanner on my hand, so if you guys see that, that's self-tanner. I tried self-tanning today, and I think I got it in places that probably don't belong. So that wand looks okay to me. It's just a plastic wand, nothing that we haven't seen before. The next thing is from Róen. This is Cake. This is in Black Noir. What is this? Róen mascara, it says. Why would I get two mascaras? Why did I get two mascaras? Did I like use my points or something? Or did we get just two mascaras? Nope. We have two mascaras. So we have two mascaras in here. This one is $28. It says this volumizing mascara has a unique fluffy brush. It is designed with flexible bristles that lengthen and lift from the root to the lash, that plumps and lengthens your lashes while coating them in intense black. All right, so there's the packaging. It's not very heavy. Neither one of these were very heavy packaging. And then there's the wand. Very wet style formula. It seems like the formula is pretty wet, so I'll have to give that a shot. It smells like plastic. Like, I don't know why, but it reminds me of when my oldest son was a baby. I had this little bottle warmer that you would put water into, and then you put the two bottles on the side, and then you'd warm up the bottle, and it smells like the plastic from that. That's exactly what it took me back to, which is such a specific memory, but that's what it smells like. Then we have a Viseart palette. I'm gonna have to check and see if I own this palette already, because if I do, then I'm not gonna play with it or anything. But this is a Viseart palette, and Viseart is pretty expensive, so it's nice to get that in Ipsy. Let's see. Here we go. And this is the Pro Un one. This is $30. This says this compact palette is the perfect size to throw into your makeup bag. Pack some serious punch, complete with 8 super pigmented and blendable shades in matte satin and shimmer finishes. It's got everything you need to channel your inner makeup artist. So here's the color story. Hopefully you can see. I think I own this one. I'm gonna have to check, but I'm pretty sure I own this one, so I'm not gonna like play with that or anything. But this is $30. So far this bag is looking really nice, and this was the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So the next thing is from Dermelect. This is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Ooh, let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's a red. I've seen this before. I've seen this bottle before for some reason. I probably own it. That's probably why I remember it. I think I might own this serum. Let's see how much this is. Dermelect. This is $42. It says this face and neck serum uses a blend of firming amino acids, exfoliating acids, and antioxidant rich vitamin C to dramatically help smooth and brighten your skin while you sleep. I mean, that sounds amazing, but I think I own this. I'm gonna have to check my like vanity area, like the bathroom vanity area, because I think it's already sitting on my counter for me to be using. Good job with your skincare. Oh, that was everything. I was thinking there was more, but that's everything. So we have 2 mascaras, which is really weird. I probably picked them, let's be honest. We have a eyeshadow palette, we have a bronzer, and we have skincare. So we got like a good variety of things. But like I was saying, the reason for me for canceling it though is not because I feel like they were giving us bad products, sometimes just boring products. Because I feel like I'd rather get things that are newer to the market, and I feel like some of the things that Ipsy gives us are like, they've been out for a while, like the Viseart that's been out for a while. I would rather get newer things. I'm like joking for some reason. I would rather get newer things, but I mean, and I feel like I just have too much. Let's be honest, I do a lot of shopping. I do a lot of like deals finding, and then I had a lot of subscription boxes, so I just needed to cut something out. And you guys know I was not gonna cut out shopping. That ain't gonna happen. So I'd rather pick out my own things. You guys will have to let me know though your opinion, whether or not you feel like I should have canceled Ipsy or I should have canceled BoxyCharm. This was a good BoxyCharm. Was it a great BoxyCharm? No, because I have 2 mascaras. I mean, who needs 2 mascaras all at the same time? That's kind of much. But anyway, you guys will have to let me know your thoughts, your opinions. I'd love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, let me know what do you think of the refreshments box. That one's very interesting. Kind of reminds me of the Dollar Shave Club though. Let's be honest, that's what it reminds me of. I don't know. Anyway, let me know your thoughts, your opinions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.